Hello everyone. Before we start, just look at this photo for 5 seconds. Look carefully. What do you see? A dark figure with arms up, a bright blue sky, big white clouds, green trees, mountains far away, a stone path, a man standing. In this lesson, we are going to learn 13 simple English words just from this one photo. No grammar, no textbook, just your eyes and this photo. Let's begin. Quick note before we start. This photo was taken by me personally in Nepal. This is a free educational channel. I am also learning English just like you. We are learning together. Look at the center of the photo. Can you see a tall dark figure standing on a block? That is called a statue. A statue is a model of a person or animal. It is made from hard material like metal or stone. People build a statue to remember and honor important people. This statue is located in Nepal. It is a publicly known historical monument. Now look at the statue arms. The arms are raised up high towards the sky. Raised. Raised means lifted up. When you lift something up, you raised it. Simple example. She raised her hand in class. The statue looks very powerful. Powerful means very strong. It is also look very brave. Brave means not afraid of anything. Say these words slowly. Statue, raised, powerful, brave. Say them one more time. Good job. Now look at the same statue again very carefully. Can you see the face? Can you see the details of the clothes? No, you cannot. The statue looks completely black. But why it is completely black? The answer is simple. Look at the sky behind it. The sky is very bright. When something stands in front of a very bright light, you can only see its dark shape. You can't see the details inside. We call this a silhouette. Silhouette is the dark outline of a shape when bright light is behind it. It is a very beautiful word. Let me say it slowly. Silhouette. Example sentence. The statue is a dark silhouette against the bright sky. Repeat after me. Silhouette, a dark outline against bright light. Silhouette. Write this word in the comments right now. Can you spell it? Now look at the bottom of the statue. The statue is not standing on the ground. It is standing on a raised block. This block is made of stone or concrete. This block has a name. We call it a pedestal. Pedestal is the base or block that a statue stands on. It lifts the statue up high so that everyone can see it clearly from far away. Example, the statue stands high on its pedestal. Say it slowly. Pedestal. The base or statue stands on. Pedestal. Good. Now look up. Look at the sky in this photo. The sky is blue, but not just any blue. It is very strong, deep, bright blue. We have a word for this. We say the sky is vivid. Vivid means very bright and strong in color. Not light, not pale, vivid. Example, the sky is a vivid blue color. Now look at the clouds. These clouds are very big. They are thick and white and soft looking, like big pieces of cotton. We call clouds like this fluffy clouds. Fluffy means soft and full and light, like cotton or wool. Example, look at those big fluffy clouds in the sky. But look at some other parts of the sky. Some clouds are darker, grey and heavy. When the sky looks full of heavy, dark clouds like this, we say the sky looks dramatic. Dramatic means very exciting and powerful to look at, like something big is about to happen. Example, the sky in this photo looks very dramatic. 3 new words: vivid, fluffy, dramatic. Can you use one of these words in the sentence? Write it in the comments. I will reply to you. Now let us look far away, behind the statue and the trees. Can you see the mountains they are very far away from us. When something is very far away, we say it is in the distance. In the distance, this means far away. The mountains are in the distance. The area behind the main subject of a photo, we call it the background. Background is the area far behind everything in a photo. Example, there are beautiful mountains in the background. Now look at the trees between the statue and the mountains. These trees are very green, very healthy, very full of leaves. When plants look like this, so green and so full of life, we say they are lush. Lush means very green, healthy and thick. Example, the lush green trees make this scene so beautiful. Say slowly, background, in the distance, lush. One more time, background, in the distance, lush. Excellent. Now let us look at the front of the photo. The part closest to us. The part of a photo closest to us has a name. We call it the foreground. Foreground, fore means front. So foreground means the front area of a photo. Example, there are green plants in the foreground. In the foreground, we can see green plants. We can also see what looks like a dried corn. Corn is a yellow vegetable. This corn has no water left inside. It is old and dry. Dried means all the water is gone, no longer fresh. We can also see a path made of flat stones. When a path is covered with flat stones like this, we call it a paved path. Paved means covered with flat stones or hard material so people can walk on it easily. Example, there is a paved path made of flat stones. New words: foreground, dried, paved path. Foreground, dried, paved path. Say them slowly. Great work. Now look to the right side of the photo. Right side, this means the side on your right hand. There is a person standing on the paved path. This person is wearing a dark t-shirt and jeans. Jeans are blue trousers made from strong thick cloth. This person looks like a visitor. A visitor is a person who comes to see a place. They are not from there, they came to visit. Example, there is a visitor standing on the path. Now look at the ground near the visitor. Can you see a dark shape on the stone path? That dark shape is called a shadow. A shadow is the dark shape that appears on the ground when light falls on a person or object. Because the sun is bright and shining today, the visitor has a clear shadow on the stone path. Example, the visitor has a long shadow on the paved path. Two new words: visitor, shadow. A visitor is a person who comes to see a place. A shadow is the dark shape light makes on the ground. Can you see your shadow right now? Wonderful! You did so well today. Let us quickly review all the words we learned. Review means to look at something again. Ready? Say each word after me. Statue, a model of a person made from metal or stone. Raised, lifted up high. Powerful, very strong. Brave, not afraid. Silhouette, dark outline against bright light. Pedestal, the base a statue stands on. Vivid, very bright and strong in color. Fluffy, soft and full like cotton. Dramatic, very exciting and powerful to look at. Background, the area far behind in a photo. Lush, very green and healthy. Foreground, the front part of a photo. Shadow, dark shape made by light. 13 new words from just one photo. That is amazing. Now here is your challenge today. Look at this photo one more time. Write one simple sentence in the comments using any words from today's lesson. Just one sentence. It doesn't need to be perfect. I am also learning just like you. I will read every comment. I will reply to every single one. And in my next video, I will show the best sentence from your comments. If this lesson was helpful, please subscribe. Every week I share a new free lesson using real photos and videos from Nepal. It is always free. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next lesson.